Oh, we are outside in the middle of a storm, about to play. I was about to say Lord of the Rings. We're gonna get hit by lightning. I'm the good side this time. How do you turn this on?
I don't freaking know. Hit the button 4 times. The bottom button. What? Yeah. Oh, suddenly feel like a dumbass right now.
Go.
Yeah. Die, you bastard! Die! Yeah. The car got hit by a hook. I'm like, what the fuck?
I gotta piss my pants. I have to pee really bad. We are
Okay.
It's like getting really hard. I mean, it's like getting. Whoa.
Alright. That's enough dumb messages for now.
This thing is turned off.
People are probably calling the cops as we speak.
Let's yell at people that go.
Yeah!
Throw something at them. Mine won't go all the way down. I think it's broken. Spider pig. Spider pig.
Oh yeah!
We just went and saw the Simpsons movie.
Ready? I'm gonna run to that tree and back.
Okay.